Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a two-in-one animal. It's a flapping bird and a small bird.
First we need a square paper. Follow the video how I am folding the paper. It's very easy craft and you can have more fun. You can use any color paper, it's your choice. Even you can use newspaper too and color it as your choice.
Flapping bird. This is a two-in-one animal. One is flapping bird, one is a small bird. The flapping bird, if you want to flap the bird, you have to pull the tail like this. Wow, our flapping bird is ready. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தேனா
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம Subscribe பண்ணிட்டு பெல் பட்டனை அழுத்த செய்யவும்.